Good afternoon, this is Micah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus. This unit has a brand new rear entry conversion. It's a manual ramp, ADA compliant. We'll get right into the conversion. I'm going to pull the door open. There's clamps on each side of the ramp. Each side of the ramp has a handle. I'm going to lower it to the ground, and it's as easy as that. If you can lift a half gallon of milk off the ground, you can operate a manual ramp and door. Again, it is ADA compliant, 34-inch ramp, 94-inch deep cut. The entryway here is 56 inches. Interior is 58 inches. It's got two seats here in the back. Got your backup camera, dual climate control. Your passenger can be one temperature, your driver can be another, and also has the rear controls up here for the driver to control, along with controls back here for your back passengers. Alright, we're going to go ahead and close up the manual ramp. Pick it up with two fingers. It is spring assisted, it's very easy to pull up. Does not take a lot of effort at all, as you can tell. And our ramp's put away. We're gonna do a walk around the van. What we want to show you here is everything that we see. We might not catch everything. It's not intentional, but if we see it, we're going to point it out to you. Tires have some tread left on them. It's got the alloy rims. A couple chips here. I knew I seen something. Got a little ding there, some touch-up paint it looks like. One spot I noticed while taking pictures, just right above the door handle. Again, it is not a perfect van. It does have 36,000 miles, but it is a very nice van. It's got some rub there. Interior is a black cloth. It's got power doors, power mirrors. This unit does have two combo keys. I'm going to start it up, show you all the lights do work. And of course all the lights go off. 36,806 miles.
Well, for everyone, he said we
radio works. AC's nice and cool. Again, this is the SE Plus model. The rear windows do roll down. Test our mirrors. And of course, my favorite, the backup camera. Alright, let's take a look under the hood. Alright, you got your 3.6 liter V6. Again, this van's got 36,000 miles. No leaks, no knocks, no ticks. We're going to get under here. What we're looking for is rust buildup, anything outside of expected surface rust. This is very important if you are buying a van sight unseen. If you are looking at a van, especially in the northeast part of the states, and your seller does not get under the van and take a video much like this, you are putting yourself at risk of buying a paperweight. You buy a van that's rusted out, that can't pass inspection, you just bought yourself a paperweight. Okay, we're going to take this on the test drive portion of the video. What we're looking to do here is get it up to speed. We're going to push it up to 70 miles an hour so you can hear the engine run, the transmission shift, and we're going to set the cruise control. There, cruise control set. Man runs and drives real nice. One thing I want to point out is from this ATS conversion, the brand new conversion in the rear, you don't hear the rattling that you hear from a lot of other conversion companies. It's a very quiet ride, especially if you're going to be on a long trip. The last thing you want to hear is a bunch of metal clanking. Up here on this exit I'm going to try to give it a hard brake. You can see my hand was off the steering wheel. There was no shaking, no rattling, no clunking. Van drives and operates as it should for being a 2018. Okay, pause the video. You didn't need to see the back end of a pizza delivery car for 30 seconds. So what we have here is a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus with alloy rims and 36,000 miles on it. We are Affordable Mobility Solutions. We have been in business for nearly 8 years, and we have over 450 positive ratings on eBay. 100% Better Business rating. We do this by taking care of our customers. If you have any questions on this van or any of our other inventory, many of them just like this one with free shipping, please give us a call at 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Speak with Jeremiah, the owner, or Micah, the general manager. Thank you.